Greetings from rainy Stockholm. As you can see, it is raining, but as I always say, it is only light rain in Stockholm. And I am on yet another nudist beach spot in Stockholm that I'm visiting for the very first time this year. This is Glasbrukarudden in the most beautiful nature here on the Glasbrukssjön. And this peaceful nature here is definitely amazing and perfect to chill naked on the beach on a day like this. It is 26th of August and currently 2:20 p.m. and I was cycling 16 kilometers from my home to get here, and I had huge rain when I started the first 2 kilometers, so I waited a bit under a balcony roof of a house nearby to able to manage not to be so wet. Now it is light rain, so this is bearable, but I still have to cycle back as well. Let me show you around before I get into the water. So I actually got into this nature from a bit earlier than the main road, and I was then forced to carry my bike here along this terrain. So on the way back I will go just straight forward through these cliffs and will arrive where I need to be. And I think always when I come to this spot it is always raining. I think it was the case last year, and even I had also puncture on my tire on my other bike, my Cube that got stolen actually recently. But here I'm now with my Scott gravel bike in this beautiful nature, and this part over here is more overlooking towards the public beach that is also empty. So the nudist beach part is on the other side towards the very end of the lake, but there is not a single soul anywhere around the lake currently due to the weather, obviously. And yeah, it's time for me to continue my beach adventures. Today is beach day number 102. So we are still going strong. There was even sun on my cycling back in, but I was cycling right to this rain. But it's not so heavy as earlier today. So let's go in for a swim and see the temperature in the water. So this lake is called Glasbrukssjön, which in literal translation means lake used for glass. I guess there was a factory here, or the water here was used to cool down glass earlier. I have no idea, but it's amazing indeed, and it's a bit charming also when it is light rain without wind. As you can see, there is no waves. There are no waves in the lake as well, which is going to make it perfect for a beach adventure on a day like this. And so we see also some blue skies coming up. It will be sunny later today, but yeah, I picked the wrong time to go for a beach adventure today, it seems. Okay, and here we have so slippery entry. 17 degrees, same as yesterday, but in Sheltorp. So all of the lakes now start to look like this time, because we have rather cold nights now, and it is then obvious that the water will get colder. So now I need to find a nice way in that it's not slippery while still the rain is not so heavy. But okay, I think I have found here my spot while I let you enjoy more in the beautiful nature here at Glasbruksudden. Oh, this is so slippery. I just can't imagine how slippery. I don't know how to describe to you how slippery it is. So I need to be careful, as it is not so deep either, so I can't just jump as well. all right, it's kind of cozy, I would say. Now I have made some disturbance into the water, so we are ready for a swim here at Glasbrukarudden, another nudist beach in Stockholm, located in Nacka, close to Björknäs, that is. And the sea is also very close here. I should have gone to the sea actually, now that I think about it, but maybe next time. So let's then go in. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Brilliant. You can see how it looks scary, the sky on that side, and then on the other side we have clear blue skies. So yeah, but the rain is needed actually in Stockholm, because they have said that actually 1 week ago to save on the water in Stockholm and to shower only for 3 minutes or something, as there was some problem with the water, drinkable water, that they were taking from Mälaren because the lake was too hot. And by hot it's like 20 degrees, 23. So yeah, greetings from Glasbruksudden in this wonderful nature at Glasbrukssjön, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.